Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an Emini Trading Room recap for Wednesday the 31st of July. And today the market's basically opened up in line here, and it kind of moved sideways and then took off. And what we kind of did, it was it moved up a little bit and just started moving sideways, so we kind of just watched it, see what it wanted to do. It finally did break a little higher, and when it came down, it just kept coming down. We got long right in this area here. Market did come down, and it was a stop out. So we had one trade, gave back 4 points today, and some days are like that. They're going to move sideways for a little while. A lot of choppiness. Finally picks a direction. We were trying to get in here, but the market didn't pull back enough, and it just moved higher. So we didn't get in that trade. When it did start to come off here, we did start to see some support. It kind of chopped around and then continued lower, I think it came even lower. It came even lower after this. So, sometimes that's going to happen. And, like I said in the prior video, you're not going to make money every single day. And today's a good example of that, because, money definitely was not made today. And I guess it goes with that. You want to keep your risk small, so that way if you do get stopped out, in a full position, 4 points, it's manageable. You can definitely come back from a 4-point decline. The way that I trade, my style and everything, that's definitely manageable. If we were to stay in this trade and you see it actually did come down a little more, let's say we got out down here, we're looking at, we're down 7 points. Well, let's say we stayed in the trade, let's say we lost 10 points, we'll say, for example's sake, we'll say we lost 10 points. That's even worse. And, let's say if we lost 5 more points, and since we were in 2 contracts, that would be 10 points, so we're down 14 points. That's not totally devastating, but it definitely will take a while to make back that 14 points. Maybe 3-5 days or something. It's possible. It's possible that it takes even longer than that. And that's something that I see that happens a lot. Different traders will take these catastrophic losses that takes years to come back from. And, that's not only devastating to your bank account, but it's devastating to your psychology. It's difficult to know that, I'm making back what was lost, and it's going to take a long time. And nobody wants to be in that situation or enjoys it, but it is reality for some people. And it's the same type of deal. If we did take 20 points on this, then it takes a longer time to come back from. And if you're a new trader, it's going to be devastating psychology, mentally devastating. And it's one reason why I have in my trading plan, and I really try to get people on this route. You want to keep your risk small, and I've coached a lot of people in the past in trading, and some people will think, I don't want to take a loss, so they're willing to write it down And if they have to get out, they're going to get out like 20 points down or something, and it's just awful, you know. And all the knowledge out there you can learn from others, But I think the industry, there's so many unscrupulous people out there, and not only in the trading industry. I'm speaking in generalities right now, but there's so many unscrupulous people that it's kind of like almost habitual that you don't believe someone. It's you're like, could this person really be telling me the truth? Because all these other people have lied to me. And it's definitely sad that our world has gotten like that. Back in the 30s, you can shake hands and do a business deal, and now you have to have lawyers and paperwork just because there are so many unscrupulous people, and it's sad, but that is part of reality. And I know I'm probably just starting to get off on a tangent, so I'll go ahead and cut this video off. But just wanted to talk about that a little bit. As long as you can limit your risk, you can keep your losses manageable, so that way your gains can outweigh them, and at the end of the weeks and the months, you will be up. And that's basically the goal. So anyway, hopefully you got something out of the video. Hopefully it made sense to you. You can always leave comments below. And with that, thank you for watching. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you back here in the markets.